As I stated earlier, the first special segment of a triangle is a perpendicular bisector. And a perpendicular bisector is formed when you draw a line that bisects one side of a triangle and it is also perpendicular to it. So the definition would be a line which is perpendicular to one side of a triangle and also bisects it. Okay, so if I wanted to draw a perpendicular bisector for a side RT on triangle RST, I would have to find the midpoint, and for this triangle we're just going to kind of eyeball it. The center or the median or the middle of the segment RT is right about there. So we would draw a line perpendicular to RT through this point. Okay, so you would have your perpendicular line and it bisects or cuts in half RT. Okay, so these would be the appropriate markings for a perpendicular bisector. You have to show that the two pieces are congruent, and you also have to have a right angle there at the perpendicular bisector. For an algebra problem, this piece would be congruent to that one, so you would set those two pieces equal to each other, and that would let you solve for x. Perpendicular bisectors do not necessarily go through a vertex of a triangle, as this one did not. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. It all depends on the triangle.